Hello, how are you? How are things going? I have got a simple English tip for you that will help you in your phone calls, Skype chats, or any other way you call people these days. It will improve them even more. There is one major error to avoid, so stay watching to find out. Now, I had an experience where I was on Skype with a friend of mine. Well, she is a friend now, but I guess you could say that I did not really know her at all when I called her because it was our first time speaking. I had this strange feeling when we were on Skype because she was kind of silent every time I said something. I had to do it again because she did not say anything. Perhaps add more information or pose a query to get a response, but her silence helped me realize that, in American English phone conversations, we constantly make noise or make brief remarks to demonstrate that we are paying attention, that we are interested, and that we are actually involved in the conversation. Therefore, without even using new words, it is crucial to employ expressions like aha. I am not sure about the silence in other cultures or languages, but I believe in American English. These kinds of sentences make a big impact and will make your partner or the person you are conversing with feel like you are genuinely interested and part of the conversation. Since we dislike silence, make an effort to be conscious of it and to notice whether or not your conversation partners are experiencing it. It all comes down to monitoring and taking in information from your environment, which is the natural method. Therefore, if you want to know more about how to study English the way that native speakers do, return to Speak Calmly in Genuine English or learn more about the premium course. And just for coming, I would like to gift you a free ebook. I really appreciate you viewing, and I hope to see you again soon. For now, goodbye.